How to add custom variables in Instantly.ai. Adding custom variables in Instantly.ai is the secret to making your emails feels like highly personalized at scale. Instead of sending the same genetic message, you can insert details like a prospect's name, company, rule, or even a custom note. To set this up, go to your lead list inside Instantly.ai and add extra column. This become your custom variables. For example, you might create custom for first name, company name, or pain point. When writing your emails template, just type the variable in double curly brackets and instantly will automatically pull in the right data for each lead. This makes your message look handwritten even though it's automated. You can get creative too. Adding a personalized intro line or reference from LinkedIn makes your outreach stand out and increase reply rates. By mastering custom variables, you'll see emails that feel personalized or personal, build trust faster, and dramatically improve your results inside Instantly.ai. So that's it.